with a sponge sanding block on the end. Now, they are kind of expensive. They're about $8 or so, but they really sand out nice. They're a foam sponge sanding block. You can get coarse ones or fine ones. So for this, I would use a coarse one, and that would get a lot of the majority of the mud off that needs to be sanded. Then what I do is take a ladder. I do like to wear a mask, and I'll put my hood up if I have it to keep it from getting in my hair. But I'm going to get right up there close, and with a smaller sponge hand sanding block, I'm going to just make sure the edges are really sanded down, totally smooth. The sanding block on the pole will get the bigger stuff off. It'll get you a good start, but by no means is that your finished sanding. For your finish, you want to get right up there with your block and be really close so you can just see any imperfections at all. Sand them out very lightly. You'll get a feel for it. The biggest thing is your edges around the outside. You want to just make sure, but in the middle, you just want to make sure that everything is looking nice and smooth before you start with the priming, of course. So then what I'm doing now, just coat of primer over top before the paint will be applied. And this repair turned out great. I mean, you can't see where it was at all. So I'm very confident if you follow this technique that I have showed you in this video, you shouldn't have a problem doing a great job on your own repair. There's nothing worse than painting over a terrible drywall job or a terrible repair job. So take your time, do it right, and you'll be pleased with how it turns out. So you definitely want to make sure you put a good coat of primer on before you paint. You don't want to just go over any repairs without primer. Primer really acts to conceal any of the repairs. The paint, you may see where the drywall was repaired if you just paint over it. So always prime over any spots that were repaired with drywall compound. It'll just really help to make that just disappear, and you won't have to see it. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe, share it, leave a comment or a question. I do appreciate the interaction with my subscribers or anyone that watches my videos. So yeah, thanks a lot, and hopefully you found this helpful.